Welcome back, KASPA traders, to another quick update on KASPA. Make sure to click the like, sir, smash the like, click the like, share it in your Twitter. The best channel to follow if you like the KASPA coin, because we trade it. Okay, we're not like, oh, it's the Bitcoin on steroid. It's gonna change the world. Ooh, no, man, no, it's just a coin. Okay, it's not Bitcoin on steroids. It's not going to change the world, man. No crypto will change the world. Forget about this nonsense, okay? Maybe Bitcoin changed the world. That's it. All right. Now look, KASPA, okay. We like KASPA. We like to trade KASPA. Now look, this is not good, okay? What we have it now, this is annoying, okay? Why it's annoying? You had the most bullish event. It is the fastest blockchain now. The upgrade was successful. All the tech schmeck fluff and bluff, man, on Twitter. Where is the pump, man? Where is the pump, sir? Tell me, where is the pump, sir? Show me the pump. Where is the fucking pump? No pump. Actually, on the contrary, man, it's going down. That's not good. All right, look, man, I'm gonna show you some stuff. KASPA better hold above this level. KASPA better hold above this level. You can see this is the level, man. Level. All right. Obviously, it can come down, wick down, and bounce back. KASPA better hold above this level. Better hold above this level and not lose this level and flip it to resistance. You better hold, man. Mark my word. This is not good. Okay, if it will lose this, there is a risk. The bear market will continue. All right. So you remember, sir, ma'am. All right, trolls out there. The 200-day is still sloping down. You still have a death cross intact. Okay, this is the death cross. Okay, you're still making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, now again, we're speculating we might be able to reverse the trend. Okay, we might be able to reverse the trend if we can reclaim the 200-day and clear the 11 annoying cents. But again, man, if it will come down below the 50-day, you can see this is the 50-day around the 79-ish area. It lose that level, it stay below that level. It's not good, because when it's below the 50-day and the 200-day, you can see it's very bearish. You can see it lost the 50-day here. That was it, broke very bearish. You had a fake out, then it lost it again and got wrecked, man. Just got wrecked completely. We don't want it for dear KASPA. We don't want it, man. We don't want it. I don't want it. I want to print money. I want to make money on KASPA. I want to loan KASPA. I want to go on a bull run. But again, you gotta be accountable, man. What's happening now? It's not good, man. It's a red flag. Really, it's a red flag. It's just like what was it? The Kraken listing here. That was the Kraken listing. Red flag, man. Collapse. That was the KRC nonsense. Red flag. Collapse. Okay, collapse. An all-time high breakout. Oh, we're going to the moon. Red flag. Collapse, man. You get me? You gotta be accountable when you trade KASPA. Leave the emotion for the bedroom, man, for your missus. Okay, for your missus or your mistress, whatever you want to do in your life, man. Leave the emotions for the bedroom, all right? Leave the emotion for the bedroom, man. This is a market, okay? This is a market. You gotta be accountable and you gotta watch for risks, okay? Risk first, sir. Always think risk first, okay? Risk first, because no one is gonna help you if the coin will go on a bear market, okay? No one gonna give you back your money, you know? The money gonna be gone, poof, poof, poof. You know what I mean? So, man, first of all, click the like, subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Look, man, we don't want to see this losing this level. If it loses this level, again, it might not collapse, man. It might just come down and build a bigger bottom. Okay, a bigger bottom, like a bigger double bottom, on multiple months. Okay, or maybe it's gonna continue downtrend. But it might take its time, and it's gonna be boring. It's gonna be annoying, and really, you don't want to be in this kind of nonsense. Really, you don't want to be involved in this kind of nonsense. You want to be involved when this shit thing, okay, when this thing breaking above this level and confirming a new bull market. You want to be in a bull market of KASPA. You don't want to hold it if it's not in a bull market. All right, man? Really? Man up. Be accountable. Stop listening to the people from the toilet. If you trade with 100K, 200K, what the hell are you doing, man? Stop listening to these morons and start listening to the charts, to KASPA. This is KASPA. All the Twitter garbage, it's all garbage, man. It's all articles from morons that never traded. They have nothing in their mind. They complete morons, man. their head is not connected to their bodies, right? You don't want to listen to these kind of creatures, okay? No. Especially if you have more than 50 or 100K inside this coin, all your hard-earned money. Some people I know have millions in KASPA, right? But bro, time to man up. So look, all right, listen, whatever happens, KASPA should hold above this level. We don't want to lose this level. We don't want to lose this level. Again, we don't want to lose this level. Now, what we want to happen is a KASPA breakout above this level, okay? We want to see it breaking out above the 11, hold it as support, all right? That's what we want. And then you're going to start a new bull market, okay? It's very likely, very likely. If you reclaim this level, you're going to start a bull market because that was the level that's been broken and we went on a bear market, okay? We pretty much confirmed the bear market. If you clear this level of it, you negate maybe the bear market. Right, man? So really, this is annoying, okay? This is annoying, okay? This thing really is annoying because really you had a beautiful breakout here of like 40%. We made great money. Then, bought the dip, got stopped out, whatever. It's annoying, man. It shouldn't happen. It should rip. It should rip on this news. It should rip, but it's not. That's what annoying here, okay? That's a red flag. You gotta be accountable when you trade. If there is a very bullish catalyst, but the market goes the other way, that's a news failure, okay? Smart traders know that stuff, okay? And smart traders, make their decision based on this stuff. And also, it helps them minimize risk, and protect themselves, okay? Because this could be nasty, right? So anyway, put this thing on your radar, man. You don't want to lose this level, man. You don't want to lose this level. Okay, you don't want to lose this level. You drop below the 8 cents, the 8 cents, close below the 8 cents. It's probably going to be boring and annoying for a while. It break above the 11 cent, it's going to be sexy and attractive. It's going to be sexy and attractive, and it's going to get a lot of traders and buyers in this market because it's going to be sexy. Okay, it's going to be explosive. That's what we want, all right? Click the like, click the bell, subscribe, tweet it in your Twitter serve. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? What the f happened, man? What the f happened? Why it's not pumping on the main net or whatever it was, the crescendo nonsense? What is this nonsense anyway? Why it's not pumping, right? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video. Cheers.